I believe investing in answers and not infrastructure alone is critical because the business owners have to be tied to the project. You can't just build a solution based on IT, software, and services. There has to be some outcomes that are tangible for the business owners and some results that can be viewed, seen, used, that impact the end user and the ultimate stakeholder, who in our case is a Medicaid beneficiary. My name is Chris Smith, and I work for the Mississippi Division of Medicaid. I'm the enterprise architect, and I also work on compliance with the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services. So I work on a lot of IT projects as well as strategy and funding from the federal government for the shared program between Medicaid, between the state and the federal partner. Modernization is difficult. A lot of Medicaid agencies are running legacy systems and legacy solutions. So trying to modernize and get the best software, people, services to get the best solutions to help our beneficiaries is key. Government agencies have typically had challenges in procurement due to the number of laws and requirements, both at the state and federal level. In the past, a lot of agencies would use RFPs, requests for proposals, a formal bidding process that can be very cumbersome and take years. We initially went out for a big bang RFP, request for proposal. We had many challenges. It took multiple years. It ended up being protested by multiple vendors, and we had to cancel the procurement. The risk is with the big bang rip and replace is 2, 3, 4 years out. You still don't have everything connected and running, and you could have some changes at the federal level, at the state level, at the agency level, at the management level. You could have staff come, you could have staff go. How is it that you're going to maintain that staffing level and the buy-in of the stakeholders on a project that takes 2, 3, 4, 5 years to implement to show results? Modernizing in place means not doing a whole rip and replace of your infrastructure. Rather, it means putting in pieces and parts and components that work around your existing ecosystem and your infrastructure and really developing something and modernizing as you go. You're not going to tear down your whole house to rebuild your kitchen, or you shouldn't, in my opinion. I think quick wins matter because they show progress. They show progress to your stakeholders, your partners, the government, leadership. Really, everyone's been on a project where you haven't seen anything tangible for a year to 2 years to 3 years, and it's frustrating. I think it actually frustrates people and drives them away from the project. And getting some quick wins, showing some progress, and actually implementing tools and services that the users can use and that impact your end user, which in this case is a beneficiary, is extremely valuable. Our organization selected the Progress Data Platform for the ability to use it as an operational data store, or ODS, meaning we're going to put all of our data into this platform, our administrative data, our claims data, our eligibility data, our clinical data, all of our data. And we're going to reuse this ODS essentially to fund and power all of the requests for information that are internal and external to the agency. The Progress team's been a great partner in helping us achieve our mission. Can't speak highly enough about the team that we're working with. We have some challenging problems and opportunities and projects that we're working on, and they have not shied away one bit. Our experience with Progress has been different from other vendors in that we've really had a great relationship from day one. The software is excellent and the people are even better. So we've got a great team from Progress, great software, and great solutions that are solving real-world day-to-day challenges for our agency today.